ਇਹ bananas ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸੜਨ ਲਈ ਛੋੜ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ so that I can make banana bread. Welcome back to my channel you guys. आज ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ banana bread. Take a screenshot of this first. It has all the ingredients you need today. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਬਾਲਟੀ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬਰਤਨ ਲੈ ਲਓ. ਇਹ ਬਰਤਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਸਲੇ ਹੋਏ bananas ਲੈ ਲਓ. If in fact just like add everything that you saw there and just mix it up all together. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੋਕੀ ਮੇਰੀ videos ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ yapping session ਦੇ ਲਈ or are you guys really interested in these recipes? Let me know in the comment section below. And now that I have started making recipe videos, I don't feel like cooking anymore. Any which ways, we're just adding all the wet ingredients, dry ingredients. A blender में टीमू तो लेता है मेरी सस्ती मस्ती है टीमू. I spend almost 2 hours every week on Temu. Preheat your oven to 350. I guess that's Fahrenheit. And once the consistency is like this, you know, you can just add chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips and chocolate chips and walnut. एक ट्रिक मैं सीखी है फेसबुक ते कि तुसी पार्चमेंट पेपर नो एवे क्रश कर लो ते वो कोई भी शेप ले लेना है. That's such a cool trick. I always use this and then just like pour it in. It was so difficult for me because and then but I did it. You can see that. Now I feel like I did not add enough chocolate chips or walnuts, so I'm just gonna top this up with oh god, I think you need to stop adding chocolate chips. This is a dessert at this point. It's no longer a banana bread. And then just start baking this. You have to bake this for approximately 1 hour 15 minutes. Start cleaning your surrounding. Eh jehda safai da keeda aaya mere andar, this is just from my mom. She loves cleaning, and with time I've learned that, you know, if my kitchen isn't clean, मेरा कार क्लीन नहीं है तो मैं कुक नहीं कर सकती because I need my house to be perfectly clean for me to cook. Do I make sense? And it's literally time to hydrate myself, so I'm just gonna have some coconut water. We don't get वो India वाला बिल्कुल बढ़िया coconut water here. The whole time this bread was baking, trust me, my house was smelling so good. It smells like a bakery today. And this is like a really hard task for me to just get it out. It looks so good. ए banana bread दी खुशबू सूंघ दे मेरा पति भी बाहर आ गया. एनो खानी banana bread. Wow. This looks so good. It tastes even better. Oh my god. Yummy. And you know the drill, so like, subscribe, share. Bye.